Hi everyone, my name is Harshit Arora and today I am excited to walk you through a Power BI project I recently worked on called WeatherWise, a live weather tracking dashboard. We all check the weather every day, but what if you could actually build your own dashboard that displays real-time weather conditions, air quality, and forecast, all powered by live API data? Sounds interesting? That's exactly what I have done here, and I'm going to show you how I made it. The idea behind this project was to explore the integration of real-time data APIs with Power BI and turn that data into something both informative and visually appealing. So instead of just working with static Excel sheets, I wanted to create something dynamic where the data changes as the weather changes. The main objectives of this project were to design a real-time weather forecasting dashboard using Power BI, to display key weather indicators like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and AQI, and finally to improve user interface or user experience with interactive visuals such as city-wise filtering and forecast charts. For this dashboard, I use the Weather API, a free and reliable weather data provider. It gives JSON responses that include all the weather metrics I needed. I connected it to the Power BI using the web connector, passed the JSON using Power Query, and then transformed the data for visualization. So here are some of the key tools and skills I used. Power BI dashboard or Power BI desktop for building the visuals, Power Query for parsing and transforming the JSON data, DEX formulas to create dynamic measures, and of course, data storytelling best practices to make the dashboard easy to understand. The dashboard includes a number of interesting features: a slicer to filter the data by city, a color-coded AQI gauge that shows pollution levels visually, live metric cards displaying temperature, humidity, and wind speed, a sunrise and a sunset tracker, and a 7-day forecast chart that helps users plan ahead. So, this is a dashboard. Let me now show you the actual dashboard in action. So, here at here at the top, you can see the uh, city slicer that I have actually selected, like city Ajmer, and I can also switch between the cities and all the data updates in real time based on the live API responses. So if I select Pune, then it changes and shows the weather forecast and all the matrices. And for Mumbai, same as for we say Hyderabad. Yeah. So this is the slicer for the cities, and on the left you will see cards showing the current temperature, humidity, wind speed, pressure, UV index and all. And below that you have the color coded, which is with AQI gauge, which is color coded to represent air quality, like green for good, yellow for moderate, and red for hazardous. So if we right now check the AQI index for Gurgaon, it's above 3000, and it is advised to stay indoors and wear a mask if outside. And for Amritsar, it's around 230, and for Pune, if I check, it's in moderate 92. Yes. And to the right, we have sunrise and sunset timings, which are especially useful for planning outdoor activities. And it updates when we change the city. So this is. And down below, there is a 7-day forecast chart which shows how the temperature will vary throughout the week for the selected city. And yes, This dashboard is fully interactive and updates based on the live data being pulled from the API every time it's refreshed. Let's move to the next slide. So, this project really helped me in improve my skills in live API integration, Power Query transformations, and using tags for real-time measures. It also taught me how to apply data storytelling principles to users so users can not just see data but understand what it actually means. So here are some future improvements. Like I am also planning some exciting updates to this project. First is adding historical trends to compare current weather with past data. And second is automating the scheduled refreshes for continuous real-time updates. And last, and including the multi-country comparisons in future version. So like that's it. Thank you for watching this walkthrough for my WeatherWise dashboard. If you find this project interesting, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. I will love to connect with fellow data enthusiasts and hear your feedback. This is just one of the many ways we can use Power BI to bring real-time data to life. See you in the next project. Thank you.